Hi, everyone. Welcome to Learning is Fun. Today, we're going to learn about sequence. What is sequence? Sequence is the order in which events happen in a story. Words like first, next, then and last will help us in finding the sequence of the story. Let's read a short story together and identify the sequence of events. Good morning. Buzz. My clock wakes me. First, I get out of bed. Next, I brush my teeth. Last, I get dressed for school. What did she do first in this story? Go back to the story and always check. The first thing the girl did in this story is that she got out of bed. After she got out of bed, the next thing she did was brush her teeth. The last thing she did in this story is she got dressed for school. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Have a nice day.